Hello Amazon sellers, I'm here today to speak to you on another growth strategy that can help you to grow your businesses and brands. Expanding your brand into new markets and customer segments is a key factor in business growth. When expanding your brand, you want to build relevancy with customers and deliver a distinct and integrated customer experience. You want your brand to be recognized by its values and how customers experience you. You want to make sure both of these are highlighted in your growth strategy. When expanding your brand, it can also be done within current markets and consumer segments, not just new ones. When expanding within your current reach, adjusting your current products and services can help with your business growth. You want to start by defining specific niche segments within your target market to help define what changes are necessary. This can be a new feature, less expensive components, or unique variants, among other things. The key is to focus on improving economies of scale by leveraging the core components of something that you already sell. If you want to hear more about ways to grow your business, get in touch with me at markyS@AmazonSellersLawyer.com or call 1-8779-SELLERS and let whoever you're speaking with know you've seen this video. Please like, share, and comment on these videos.